This video is a review of the Litra Glow Light by Logitech. The video looks terrible because I have the camera set up to not automatically adjust the light sensitivity. So what you're seeing now is actually what you would see if you were here in person. It's my office, it's in the evening, so it's getting dark, and if you're looking at me right now, this is how dark it's going to be. So if I'm on Zoom or on a conference call, obviously that doesn't look good. Now, down here, I'm going to show you the G-Hub control software by Logitech. I can use the software here to configure, switch on and switch off the light, which is mounted right in front of me on top of my monitor. So here we go. I'm going to go into the device here. So right now, it's obviously off. And by the way, this software is kind of neat. It shows the video feed so that you can see what's going on. So I'm going to turn that on now. And you can see the difference. So now it's very bright. It's set to mid warmth and maximum brightness. Now there are some presets, so I can actually go in here and say bright, cool, cool blue, which is too cold to me. So this is kind of like nice. This is daylight. It's not bright enough. As you can, I think it is a little bit too dark. Afternoon sun. Soft light. So this is very soft, but not bright enough. So actually, I basically have this set up to be brighter, and this is how I normally do my Zoom calls. So it is nice because the light is, as you can tell, it's not a large light, but it is just powerful enough, and it's just soft enough for this. Now, in my glasses, you can see the reflection, so that's just problem with glasses. I can try to position it so there's more pointing downwards, but for me, set up, this is not working perfectly, but it's not that bad, I don't think, right? As I said, if you plug the light into the USB port, which I have, it's going into a USB hub, I can use the software to control it. So, on, off, and then obviously change the temperature. I don't have to do that. I can reach behind. It's about here if I reach up, so I can reach behind and hit the button to power it on and off. To adjust the temperature of the light and the brightness is way easier using the software. Now, if you have a Logitech keyboard, the gaming line, the G line, I believe you can actually map the keys on the keyboard to do the control, which is nicer. But I'm on a Mac and I don't have a Logitech, one of those gaming keyboards. So I'm either using the software right here, or I'm just reaching up to touch it to switch it on and off. So this is a really good light. The way it's mounted is very, very well done. So this is a neat product, as you can see. Let me just show you how that is working. So coming back in conclusion, I think this is a very, very neat little device. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but I think it's worth it. If all you need is one little, basically a square mounted on top of my monitor, and it solves all my lighting need.